My new babies. These are rooted kangkong. And then these are all the plants that I bought from the store, except for the green onion. The green onion I grew from seeds. So these are that lemon thyme. And then this is marigold. The sweet 100 tomato peppers. This is lemon balm, eggplant, Asian eggplant, basil, peppers, lavage. See, these are the stuff that I got. So I still have a lot of room. I actually put some seeds over here, like ampalaya seeds, bitter gourd, some beans, wing bean, and all kinds of stuff. Except my cucumber is not happy. Oh, they have to get used to it. So these have seeds that I got, and okra also. And then on the spaces over here, I'm gonna transfer some of the pechay, some of the greens. And over here, planted all kinds of junk too. Added some kangkong here too. And my son is doing punching bag. And my calamansi, oh my god. Look at all these flowers. Flowers everywhere. And over here, more junk. Kales. These are tatsoi flower. So hopefully I'll be able to save some seeds. We'll see. I haven't tried it yet. More kale. And more stuff. Of course, filled up a lot of stuff also in my pots. See, herbs and flowers. More tomatoes and eggplant over here. Spread some of the herbs over there too. Basils and lemon. More over here. And eggplant over there.